It is a little chilly, but this water, I've never seen it this clear. I've never seen it this clear. Oh, come on, wind. I got a new little boat. It's not new. I traded it for one of my non-running boats. But we're gonna make some videos out of it here soon. Man, it's cold. I might have to use my little anchor. Come on, baby. Man, I've never seen the bottom right here. I can damn sure see it right now. Ooh. Nice. There we go. Oh. Come on. That's a good one. Come on, baby. That's a really good one. Come on. Look at that right there, boys. That's about a good 1.5 pounds right there. Whew. That feels good. That feels good after getting skunked the other day. All right, girl. I appreciate that. First cast after switching the bait. Whew. That feels really good. Somebody's shooting. Oh, something big's hitting the water right there. I've casted way away from it. Oh. Man, them ducks just scare me. Oh, missed them. Man, I knew it was pretty deep out here, but it's probably over 10 foot right here. And it's a clean bottom. I need to come out here and put some structure. I know there's some catfish in here. I don't see anything anywhere. What in the world is that? Huh. That's weird. I'm just exploring now. That'll about do it for today. Not bad, not bad. I am gonna start filming a lot more videos though. I got pretty bummed out with both of my boats going down. I got this kayak and that really helped. I started fishing a lot again. And I actually think I got me a new fishing buddy. Well, it is really dark or deep right here. Oh. Woohoo! All right, let's get out of here without falling. Oh, well, that was pretty fun. Let me get out of this kayak. We got us one. Wasn't a great fishing adventure, but we still got us one. Got a little peace of mind. Really can't beat that. This here, let me show you the old rig. Not bad.